What is up YouTube? Nick from TutorialTellers, and today I'll be showing you guys how to pay your invoice on eBay. So once you're logged in on your eBay account, you want to go to the top left of your screen and hover your mouse over your name and then go to account settings. Once on account settings, you should then see your invoice. You can either click on pay to pay with PayPal, and you also have some other options. Option number 1 is make a direct pay payment, and that is with your checking account with your bank. Option number 2 is to pay with your credit or debit card. And the last option is to mail in a check or money order. The option I'm going to go with is pay with your credit card. Now, if you're doing this option like me, type the card in that you want to use to pay with, or if you're not using the same card, you can click on use different credit card. But in my case, this is the card I'm going to be using, so I'm just going to type in my code right here. If you check this box, you can make this credit card your default automatic payment method, which means every time you have an invoice, it'll automatically take the money from the card. I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, this is just reviewing everything to make sure you want to pay with the card, so just confirm it if it's correct. Pretty embarrassing, but my card declined because I have no money on my credit card, but I'm going to transfer some money in my account after this tutorial and pay the invoice off. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.